Controller replacement tutorial.
When we replace the controller with a new one, we need to prepare the following accessories and tools: a new controller, a bracket, a roll of electrical tape, an Allen wrench, a cable tie, a pair of scissors. First, turn the wheelchair over. Cut off the original cable ties. Be careful not to cut the wires. Tear off the original electrical tape. Unplug the wire connectors. And unplug the old controller. Replace new controller. Then, install the new controller to the bracket under the armrest. Adjust the length and fix the screws. Dot the wire interface. Connect the long wire to the right motor and the short wire to the left motor. Pay attention not to connect the direction of the interface in the opposite direction. The arrow is aligned with the arrow. Then wrap and fix it with electrical tape. The rest of the wires are also fixed with cable ties. Cut off the excess cable ties. The wire of the controller can also be fixed. And finally, the new controller is replaced.